everyone. I am Joanne from Colorido. Today I want to share with you what kind of socks not good for printing. The first example is this one. These socks, look, this is the blank socks. It's black elastic, but the printing side is white. From the before printing, we are not able to say if we can print or not. But after printed, this is the after printed socks. We found, look, this leaf is really hard. It's very, very hard. It's like a plastic already melt already melt this part because for polyester the color fixed temperature is 180 degrees. So the yarn is have to be like 180 degrees inside. So this is needed to be noted. This yarn is not good. Although the second example is for these socks. This socks is really long. You see, it's like it's really like a half. Before we make it flat, it's already like more than half. Then after we put it in, it's very long. Look here, it's really long. These socks we can print, but it's low efficiency. We cannot put one pair. Also, this part, this is the heel part, it's too high. It will hurt the head. So we don't suggest you make like this part 2 point. It's too high. When you make these socks, you have to notice it. And here part and here is the 2 part. Both of them it's very high, so we don't suggest to do this. Okay, I give you the third example, and this one. This one you maybe cannot figure out very clearly, but I can let you see here. It's here. This here it's a little color difference. That's because the material is different. Part is poly and part is nylon. That is not good because the color fastness for poly and nylon it's different level. So if you want to print a poly socks, just make a poly totally. And for heel part and toe part, if it's black, then it's no problem. You can make it by cotton here and toe part. Both can be cotton material. That's no problem. But we don't suggest you combine 2 materials together because the color fastness is a difference. Also, then this one, look this one. This one we can print. It's good. We can print, but you note here we have many tiny fleas here, many tiny fleas. So here we have to noted the head surface to sock surface the good distance, not touch so closely. But if it's too far, I mean the distance from head surface to socks surface is too far, it will make the details not so clear. That's why we suggest you select socks yarn when you knit socks. Okay, everybody, this is today's content. Next week we will share with you what material is good for printing and what design is good for printing. Thank you. Bye-bye.